Welcome back to TechVibe, your ultimate destination for everything cutting edge. If you're watching this, you're likely a pro creator, a power user, or someone who simply refuses to settle for second best. Right now, the tech world is buzzing with a single question: can Samsung finally dethrone the iPad Pro? Well, the leaks are in. And the upcoming Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra isn't just an incremental update, it's a total overhaul. We are talking about a device that bridges the gap between a tablet and a high-end workstation. In today's exclusive deep dive, we're breaking down the game-changing no-notch design, the beastly Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 processor, and a revolutionary Neural DeX mode that might finally make you ditch your laptop for good. Stick around until the very end because we're also revealing the leaked US release window and the one secret feature that Samsung has kept hidden from the official teasers. You do not want to miss this. For years, Samsung's Ultra tablets have been defined by that massive 14.6-inch screen, but they've always had one polarizing feature: the notch. For 2026, the biggest news is that the notch is officially dead. Samsung is reportedly implementing its most advanced under-display camera technology yet. This means you get a completely uninterrupted edge-to-edge canvas, but it's not just about the look, it's about the build. Taking a page out of the S24 and S12 Ultra smartphone playbook, the Tab S12 Ultra is expected to feature a Grade 5 titanium chassis. This makes the tablet significantly lighter than the previous generation, while also making it virtually impossible to bend for the premium user who travels. This is the durability upgrade we've been waiting for. Now, let's talk about the window to the soul of this device: the display. Samsung is moving to a tandem OLED structure similar to what we've seen in top-tier rivals. But with a Samsung twist, this tandem AMOLED 4K panel will reportedly reach a staggering 800 nits of peak brightness, whether you're editing 4K video under the bright California sun or watching a cinematic masterpiece in a dark room. The HDR performance here will be unmatched. They're also introducing a new anti-reflective coating that is rumored to be 75% more effective than the previous generation. No more staring at your own reflection during dark scenes in a movie. Under the hood, the Tab S12 Ultra is a literal monster. While the previous series experimented with different chipsets, the S12 Ultra is coming back home to Qualcomm with a custom-tuned Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. This isn't just a mobile chip. Benchmarks suggest it's rivaling the world's most powerful laptop silicon and multi-core performance. To keep this power in check, Samsung is introducing a redesigned vapor chamber cooling system that's 30% larger. This means you can render heavy 3D files or play AAA games at 120 frames per second without the tablet throttling or getting uncomfortably hot in your hands. And for the multitaskers, hold on to your seats, the RAM is getting a massive boost. We are looking at a base model with 16 GB of RAM, with a top-tier variant featuring 24 GB of RAM. Combined with Neural DeX, this changes everything. DeX is no longer just a desktop-style UI. It's becoming an AI-driven environment. Imagine a tablet that learns your workflow, automatically suggests window layouts, and allows for seamless hybrid booting where you can run virtualized desktop apps with zero lag. This is the laptop killer dream finally realized. Speaking of AI, Galaxy AI 3.0 is the heartbeat of this device. The new S Pen Pro 3, which comes in the box, now features haptic feedback. When you draw on the screen, it will actually vibrate subtly to mimic the feeling of pencil on paper or a brush on canvas. It also includes Air Action 2.0, allowing you to control your tablet with gestures from up to 30 feet away, perfect for presentations or remote camera control. The AI will also feature neural notes, which can not only summarize your meetings but also generate architectural sketches or code snippets based on your rough scribbles in real time. Battery life has always been a strong suit, but with a 14.6-inch 4K screen, you need serious juice. The S12 Ultra is expected to retain a massive 11,600 mAh, but the real upgrade is the charging speed. Rumors point to 80 West superfast charging. We're talking 0 to 80% in under 45 minutes. For a battery this size, that is a productivity lifesaver. So, when can you get your hands on this beast, and how much will it hurt your wallet? Based on Samsung's current production cycle and the latest supply chain leaks, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is slated for a late Q3 or early Q4 2026 release, most likely hitting shelves in October. As for pricing, the premium materials like titanium and the tandem OLED tech come at a cost. In the US, expect the base 256 GB model to start at $1,249, with the 1TB, 24 GB RAM monster potentially reaching $1,799. It's a premium price for a premium audience, but for those who use their tablet as their primary computer. The value proposition is definitely there. Before we wrap up, let's talk about that secret feature I mentioned. Internal sources suggest that the S12 Ultra will be the first tablet to feature satellite productivity. This isn't just for emergencies. It's rumored to allow for low bandwidth data sensing in remote areas where Wi-Fi and 5G are non-existent. For digital nomads and field professionals, this could be the ultimate must-have feature. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is shaping up to be the most ambitious piece of hardware Samsung has ever released. It's not just a tablet, it's a statement that the era of mobile-only tablets is over. But what do you think? Is a no-notch design and 24GB of RAM enough to make you switch from an iPad or a MacBook? Or is the price tag just a bit too steep? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read every single one of them. And I want to know if you're joining the Ultra Squad this year. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to TechVibe for the most authentic and fastest tech updates on the planet. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you're the first to know when the official pre-orders go live. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.